welcome to the new world. This is a viral video. This is a video shows you how you can do something. First, subscribe to my channel, like, comment if you like this video. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can block the background of your picture. Yeah, it is easy as ABC. Now let's go. You have to go to Play Store and download an application called Airbrush. Search an application called Airbrush. You search it, it's right there. Search everything. When it comes, then you tap on Airbrush. That's all. Since I've already downloaded it, it's on my phone. That's why you can see the open button over there. So you too, you need to download it and press the open. Then you open this application. Now you have to go to library, or you take a new picture of yourself. Okay, anything like that. So since I have a picture on my gallery, I just want to do it fast for you to see. So let's go. Press library, then you have you go and you select your favorite picture, the picture you want to draw, the background. I have it over there. Then you tap on tools, which contain the blur effect. The blur effect is a bouquet, which is the first one, which is in hexagonal shape. So you just press on it, and then you wait for it to come. This does not need any data for you to blur the background of your picture. So there you have it. This is the picture and you blur it. This is the picture, original picture, of which the background is not blurred. But now the background is blurred. Now you can see it over there. You can reduce the intensity of how you want it to be shown, and you have it. You see, so that's it. Now you can also blur the background of your picture even if you are not using an iPhone. So free. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video, please. I'm begging you. I have so many things coming on. I will show you so many things that you are not aware of. I will show you so many things. I will show you how you can create a website, how you can earn money through Bitly. I have so many things coming. So subscribe to my channel so that and press on the bell so that whenever I upload any picture, you have a notification right there for you. Now you have it. Then see you next time.